Hello everyone, thank you for dropping by to our YouTube channel. For the meantime, we will show you how we dismantle a Louis Vuitton bag. You might be wondering why we are destroying a Louis Vuitton bag in such perfect condition. Well, for those of you who are not familiar with us, we are a custom shop that specializes in upcycling, repurposing, and restoration of luxury bags and wallets, mainly Louis Vuitton brand. Usually, we use this model code Saumur 35 because of the large canvas coverage. We particularly choose older vintage models as the canvas is apparently thicker with better quality overall. We are proud to say that almost all parts are being reused and recycled, including the hardwares like rivets, buckles, and so on. The leather part is very hard to salvage though, as these bags are more or less 30 years old and the quality of leather deteriorated over a long period of time. We will transform this bag into several customized small leather goods like card holders, bag charms, coin purse, watch bands, and more. Our first creation will be a pochette accessoire. It's a minimalist bag with simple design but can hold more of your daily accessories in one grab. This is considered to be a rare Louis Vuitton piece as of the moment. Alright, let's make it! Most of the LV enthusiasts are aware of how the LV pieces are perfected, be it the stitching up to the cutting of canvas, so we do our best to copy the style, especially the prints. You can observe that the prints of Louis Vuitton items are balanced on both sides. The star blossom flower is cut evenly from end to end, as well as the L and V letters. So first, we cut the side panels of the bag consisting of 3 L and V letter combination, considering the number of flowers from top to bottom as well. Basically, we don't need the actual measurement of the pochette accessoire, we just have to follow the numbers of prints when cutting the canvas. Next, we cut the bottom part that connects both sides together all the way out. Then we will make 2 pieces of pipings. This will serve as a stitch joint for the 2 pieces of canvas on both sides, as you can see here. Now we will install the zipper. You have to do it at this stage before you close up any parts. Afterwards, we will stitch all the pieces together. This fabric lining is also from that old Saumur bag. This is to cover the stitch marks on the interiors of the bag. In an original LV Pochette bag, you can find the date code on this side, so we install the one we got from Saumur. It's dated back in 1992. Wow, exactly 30 years ago. Now that we are done with the body of the bag, we will proceed with the fixing of hardware and strap using real vegetable tanned leather, or as we call it, vachetta leather. First, it's a zipper tab where a D-ring is installed for the shoulder strapped hook. Afterwards, we do the shoulder strap. This strap cutting tool is very efficient in cutting straight and long patterns of leather. Anyway, we will do a separate video on the process of leather finishing like cutting, scalping, edge beveling, burnishing, and glazing using the simple tools for beginner. Let us now take a look at the finished product. These are the basic items that fit in our new Pochette accessoire: a Louis Vuitton Trésor wallet, an iPhone 7, LV 6 key holder, a vanity purse with lipstick and comb, and the sunglasses. There is still a lot of space left. Once again, thank you very much for taking your time to watch this episode and hoping to see you on our next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. It will help us improve our channel.